Okay, back with another cooking video. What is this monstrosity, I hear you ask? Well, this is my apple banana actifry covered with oat milk and Greek coconut yogurt and cinnamon sugar sweetener and banana also added. Yeah, the nuts give it a nice added texture. Ideally, you want to use cream or ice cream if you've got any, but I don't, so this is what I've got. Quite happy with it. 15 minutes in the actifry. Make sure you chop up your bananas and apples, add your cinnamon, sugar, sweetener, bit of oil, and then, like I say, when it's done, put what you want on it: cream, ice cream, oat milk like I've done, whatever you want, or have it without anything if you like it like that. I used a variety of nuts. Okay, that's all. Come again. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell and all that gubbins. Especially like on TikTok, because no one likes my shit. Bye again.